Hello there. Are you looking to collect data to strengthen your business or for your personal project, but confused and frustrated with the complicated software tools which take countless hours to set up and need working around the clock to maintain? We're here to solve all your data needs. Whether it's 1,000 data points or millions, we can handle them effortlessly with our highly scalable, efficient, and structured tools. We have powerful servers, premium proxies, and JS rendering techniques which can tackle CAPTCHA, login, or any kind of blocking mechanism or high volume of data. Be it marketers, analysts, developers, or data scientists, we work to get you data at any scale. So sit back, relax, and let us run your web scraping errand. Whatever your data requirements is, our team of experts can handle it. Scraping services includes scraping products, pricing and reviews, travel and hospitality data, housing and real estate, job data, or any kind of custom request. What formats will data be delivered in? You name it, we provide clean data in Excel, CSV, JSON, XML, or even send data directly to your database. Consuming clean data for healthy business.